As most content creators out there, my time is limited and I have to make every second count. Over the last 5 years, I kept on trying different cameras and accessories useful for the whole process of creating content online. And here is my top 5 accessories I use daily on my work. Number 1 is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. In my niche, the best camera you can use is the one on your smartphone. This is the conclusion after trying various setups over the years. It's slim, easy to carry and reliable. Similar to the Osmo Mobile 5, the 6th generation folds down so you can stick it in the included pouch or other carrying bag. The Osmo Mobile 6 features a built-in extension rod that stretches 8.46 inches. The Mobile 6 includes a handful of recording modes that help you get your shot. The default is follow mode, which offers general stabilization. That's the one you'll use the most of the time. There is also tilt locked mode, which keeps the camera horizontal no matter how you move the gimbal. FPV mode assigns all the 3 axes to follow the main subject no matter how the subject moves, while the spin shot mode helps with rotating the camera left or right for circular motion shots. Depending on the type of content you're creating, you may want to record in portrait or landscape orientation. A press of the swap button will automatically flip the phone between the two. Moreover, it will remain perfectly level while flipping, so you can change the orientation without recalibrating the gimbal. The Osmo Mobile 6 is powered by the DJI's Mimo app. The app is simple, but it also features a overabundance of video tutorials for getting started and for using features such as stories and shot guides. I use it with my iPhone 14 Pro, which is my main camera, and combined with the MacBook Pro 14-inch I use for around 9 months. It is the best combination for me and might be the best combination for you. This takes me to the second accessory I use daily, the PunCube laptop stand. This small accessory is one I didn't know I'm going to use that much. It was sent to me by PunCube and it's more than just a laptop stand. It can also be used as a paper holder, A4 size, and its most useful feature is the retractable mousepad. This way you can work on your laptop everywhere and in any position you want. It can enhance your work and video editing experience, whether on the desk, in bed, on the sofa, or while traveling. The keyboard tilts 15 degrees for an ergonomic typing posture, relieving wrist fatigue and making it easier to work on documents, send and receive emails, and improve work efficiency for long periods of time. The triangular support reduces the contact between the stand and the bottom and provides dual channel ventilation to ensure rapid heat dissipation of the laptop and maintain optimal performance. This portable laptop desk weighs in just 1.3 pounds, is A4 size and has only 6 mm of thickness when not in use. It has a place on my lightweight laptop bag from the moment I've unboxed it. It's compatible with all the tablets and laptops that have a screen from 10 to 16 inches, and it can withstand a total weight of 90 pounds with the mousepad in, 35 pounds with the mousepad out, and 10 pounds on the mousepad alone. You can purchase it using the link in the video description below or use the discount code specially made for my followers, also in the video description. Many thanks to PunCube for sponsoring this video. At number 3 we have the best looking wireless keyboard. That's one reason why I bought it, its color. The Logitech K380 is the perfect work travel companion, and the price, it's one of its best features. It comes with 3 Bluetooth connectivity options and you can quickly switch from one to another using the easy switch buttons. Its Bluetooth 3.0 has a range of 10 meters that lets you get pretty far back from your device, and because it has multi-platform and operating system compatibility, that device can be your laptop, iPad, phone, PC, or even your Apple TV. On the power side, it uses 2 AAA batteries, and for me it's okay. I don't have to consider charging the keyboard once in a while, and I keep spare batteries in the house, so I'm good with that. It has its place on my desk next to the number 4 on the list, the Asus MD100 wireless mouse. This mouse is a very simple one with a very smooth design that's almost entirely flat. There's very minimal visual distraction, with the entire mouse looking like it's a single smooth pebble, lacking even the usual cutouts for buttons. As plain as it is, one of the unique things about the MD100 is that the cover has an antibacterial guard treatment, silver ions embedded in the product's surface, which kills bacteria. Removing the top cover, you will find the battery compartment and the USB dongle. To keep topside clean, Asus decided to cram the DPI and pairing buttons as well as the connection selector switch down. Pairing the mouse for Bluetooth mode. Once you have switched the mouse to the Bluetooth mode, hold on the pairing button for 5 seconds and the LED will start flashing. The top part comes in 2 colors and I personally like the dark blue one. I carry this mouse everywhere and it is perfect for my MacBook and for the PunCube laptop stand. Buy it now using the link in the video description as well. Number 5, the desktop glass whiteboard organizer. Finally, the 5th accessory I use is this nice whiteboard organizer. It comes with a pen and eraser, and your to-do board allows you to write down notes for your job, the perfect home office equipment. It has storage to hold up your office accessories and other stuff. This way you can have a sleek home working space and keep track of all the important stuff from your work or for home. It weighs in just 810 grams and measures only 40 by 15.7 by 4.6 centimeters. Again, the link for buying this is in the video description. Thank you for your time and support. Bye bye.